Hi, can I please speak to the manager?
I'm sorry, just one moment, please. I'm sorry, what is it regarding?
It has to do with the wrong menu type.
Alright, the managers, we don't actually don't have a manager, but our authority works on daytime.
You're running a store without a manager?
I'm sorry?
Okay, okay. So, do you have an assistant manager we can talk to?
Yeah, sure. Just 1 second, please.
Okay, thank you.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah?
Well, we were just at your store about probably 20 minutes ago. And we had a problem with one of your, helpers. The teller or the helper.
Yeah?
Well, first of all, she was kind of rude to us a little bit, but I asked for some pickles, and she gave me a whole whack load of jalapenos.
Sorry, I don't understand what you're talking about.
Well, what I said was I asked for some pickles, and she accidentally, I'm not sure if it was an accident, but she gave me jalapenos. As I went to the bathroom, so I couldn't see. So, that's a huge problem.
Just a second. Coming up. Oh, no. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, can you call tomorrow at daytime? Because I don't know who can serve you, so you can come tomorrow. My manager is here.
Well, see, we're going to Las Vegas tomorrow, so, I mean, I can either sue you now or when we get back.